Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of VizRT Tuesday Tutorials. I am your host Richard Evans. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, legends. Today I'd like to show you a super cool and unique feature of the TriCaster Vizion, the AI gaze correction. Now first let me explain why this feature is important. Now the number one way to engage with humans, heck even animals, is through the windows of the soul, aka eye contact. And a lot of times when producing live video, your on-screen talent might be reading a teleprompter like I'm doing now, or reading a script just off camera, and that break in eye contact can leave your audience feeling just a little disconnected. So AI gaze correction is here to fix that. So not only will it keep your on-screen talent maintaining eye contact, but using AI, it will even match eye color and adjust for natural blinking. Super awesome, super easy, and super effective. So let me show you how it's done, son. Alright, so I am now in the TriCaster Vizion interface over here on my input number 1, and then I've put my input number 1 on program just so we can see things in real time as I'm going through this, okay? So don't have any of the other inputs. We're just going to focus on my face today, on my eyes. There we go. Alright, so to get to the gaze correction, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to the configuration window, which is going to be accessible from your program window. So this gear icon on the bottom right here, click on that. Let me move this out of the way. Cool. So you'll have a couple different options here on the setup side. So you have your inputs, your outputs. This is where you'd go to configure your different outputs and inputs, and also your recordings. But we're going to focus on the AI tab. All right. So from here, there are 4 different sources that you can use these AI features on, and we're just going to focus on the one today. So from here, we'll go to the AI feature, click this drop down, and I'm going to select the gaze correction like so. And then on the target side, if I drop this down, this is going to look for sources that are already on your TriCaster. All right. So it won't be grabbing an NDI source because it's going to apply to whatever is actually coming in on your system. So I already have my PTZ camera selected on input number 1. So I'm going to select input number 1. All right, and then I'm going to hover because I have to kind of use my eyes to go back and forth here to show you examples. So I'm going to hover over where it says active here. All right, and now let me just go ahead and look down the camera. And what I'm going to do, this is me looking straight at the camera, but let me look downward as if I'm like kind of reading off of a script. So as you can see, a little disconnected because my eyes are not looking straight in the camera. But let's go ahead and turn on the active button on my AI gaze correction like so. And now you'll see that my eyes are looking right at you. And even when I blink like so, it goes ahead and puts those in as well. So not only that, it has my eye color in here, so you can see my pretty blue eyes in here, and also has my blinking going on. So this is a great way for you to keep eye contact with your audience, so that way if your on-screen talent is, say, reading a script or just looking off camera, gets distracted by a cat or something like that, this is how you would get around that. So really cool feature, and I highly recommend playing around with this, and of course, have some fun. There you have it, an awesome and simple way to maintain eye contact with your audience using AI gaze correction, exclusively available on TriCaster Vizion. Now for more tutorials like this one, be sure to subscribe to the VizRT YouTube channel at youtube.com/VizRTofficial. And for formalized VizRT product training, sign up for Viz University, available at vizrt.com/community/viz-university. And you can find more information about VizRT products and services by contacting your local VizRT partner or checking out our website, vizrt.com. And if you are posting your work using VizRT products on social media, make sure that you tag us using the hashtags VizRT or TriCaster. We see all of these posts. Love it. Keep it up, legends. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you again real soon for another episode of VizRT Tuesday Tutorials.